Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. Simply go to search bar, then type settings. Now from the search results, click here to open it. Once we are here on the on the left side, we need to select personalization. So here it is, simply click on it. Then on the left side, just scroll down and select themes. So here it is, simply click on this icon. Now just scroll down, and in the related settings we need to select desktop icon settings. So just click here, it will pop up a new window. Now we need to close this one. So on the desktop icon settings, so we need to select the desktop icons which we want on our desktop. So simply I wanted file explorer, then control panel, so and recycle bin. So I wanted these three icons on my desktop. So simply click on apply and then OK. So still it's not showing. So if I want to fix this, I will simply right click on desktop, go to view, then select this last option, that is show desktop icons. So there we go. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.